This Boss ME-50 was brought to me by a young guy who originally said it had no sounds at all, but when I picked it up I could hear something rattling around, which was this. This is a linkage between the expression pedal subboard, and it's got a pot, and it joins, or it connects the that pot with the pedal itself. So I figured that was most likely the source of the zero volume, but also the pedal itself was smashed. I don't know whether it was dropped on its side or jumped on or whatever, but you can see the pivot there, the plastic's all broken around it. It's just so I can assemble it the same order later. So on this side it's come completely off, and on the other side it's all smashed and bent. One side I was able to glue quite well, and I think it's got nearly the same strength as before. There's sort of ribs everywhere. Well, perhaps it doesn't, but I don't know. There wasn't really room to add extra reinforcement. And we'll see. This side I had to heat the bottom to get a little bit more flexible to get back into place, but I couldn't get it quite back how it was, and you can see there's a lot of fragments there. It didn't look like it was going to be very strong, so I thought, well, I have to reinforce that side at least. Whereas that side seems okay. I first cut out a piece of cardboard as a template, and then copied that on a couple of thin bits of aluminium, and with a washer there to take the load. And then tried to make an epoxy sandwich with fiberglass, a bit of fiberglass in there as well. And there's a waxed dowel there, which is to keep everything aligned and keep the hole free of epoxy. Even with the wax, it still stuck to the epoxy, but it came out reasonably easily. So that cured to quite a rigid, what would you call it? I mean, it looks a bit messy, but it appears to be pretty strong. Everything's tied together with epoxy, aluminium and fiberglass, and there's room for the original pivot bolt there, and it still pivots. If it fails again, I'll probably have to replace the whole area with a steel bracket or something. But anyway, there it is. It moves and it works. Strangely enough, it wasn't the first time I fixed this particular ME-50. It came to me 2018, I think. The LED associated with the compressor had failed, and I found a similar size LED, and luckily it was the drive to the LED. So the drive to the LED still worked. The LED itself was broken, so I soldered that in. There we go. That's what the pedals look like from the bottom. Empty case. And the foot switches are just tiny surface mount devices there, but the well, there's the brains of the operation.